So happy you daily comment in your my YouTube video. Daily comment because that is my motivation, and your comment is boost for my strength. Not a disturb for me, right? Because I'm an owner of my YouTube channel, okay? And you not honor for our family. To celebrate for your life. You are zero. You are zero. Z-E-R-O. I changed my communication skill. But you stop in your life and you think a regret feel in your life. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjaria and day 5, how to start a communication skill with English blog. Day 5 is very interesting of my life changing lesson. That's all about my doubt is clear. But circumstances with a different personality in front of my camera screen. But realistic and pure mathematics used in a comment box section. Definitely, I changed my communication skill with English language. But some mad person in this comment box section, are you a rude behavior for my comment reply? But you are not focused for yourself. Literally, that person is very dirty mindset. But you not think how can start and how can build for a own empire. Literally, I talk for not a particularly this person for comment section in a day 4, but which one achievement in your life, which one you are deserve and you are self-satisfaction work for nowadays. You know. But I'm so happy. Why? Because I follow my principle. I follow my rules. I follow my regulation. But you follow your community, society, and dirty mindset. Definitely, I become a good person. Beginners start journey, right? Not as I'm an influencer in this content creator in this platform, but definitely I track for my graph daily basis, not or randomly. That is why one day I change my communication skill. But you stop in your life and you think a regret feel in your life. I'm not angry for your comment and which type of comment for in this comment section, because dogs are always right and not important of your my career option. Okay. But definitely that is the person to person change of perspective in your life. Really, this person are to self-doubt person. Not confidence for in yourself. And that's why decided of the other one person. who is good, and what is the personality, that is not important. Definitely, in day 5, in day 365, to be lots of challenge in your my life, lots of learning session in your my life. But you always zero. Why? Because you are comparing your life with my perspective. You are not interested for your life. You only for interest other one family, other your life. You are not interested for your son. Your interest another son. But change your perspective, bro. That is the changes of your life. One day, make sure you are available in this my YouTube channel comment section. I'm always help for my find a mistake. Definitely, I try to my best of the best. But you always regret for in your life. You are zero. You are zero. Zero. I'm sure in my struggle time, and I'm beginner for this perspective and English vlog start journey. But always not a zero for myself. 1.1.1.1.1 point increase in my graph. Recently, I think about myself. Why you are stopped? Because dogs are always barking. Okay, and not stop my dreams for your comments and other one to disturb for my YouTube video comment section. You are not a disturb for me, right? Because I'm an owner of my YouTube channel, okay, and you not honor for our family at like a labor, it like a donkey feel in your life. That is a different between you and me. That is the not a particularly person to I choose in a comment section, but definitely that is the common sense, right? And you are not a guilty feel. Okay, I'm first one so sorry, but you are not a guilty feel. That is the reality, and I sure you are to start your new journey, right? Because you find out to all of type of mistake of all our person, but you are not find in your mistake in your life, and that is why you are the zero and always zero. Okay, don't worry, bro. You chill it and start you to be new beginning in your life. Okay, definitely. And this day 5 is very interesting in your my life, very learning in your my life. Always these comments are to motivate for the another challenge to accept for myself. But only for 1% person are not change your perspective. That is the donkey. Because your society are and around your person is a donkey family. Okay, that is the reality. Okay, you are not a guilty feel because your family are too guilty feel. Why born this person in your my family? Okay, that is the really smile for my life. So
And
happy. You daily comment in your my YouTube video. Daily comment because that is the my motivation. And your comment is boost for my strength. Okay, every one person to listen this my self talk day 5 to this video, but one day change to my perspective and you zero. Thank you so much. You watch my video and daily base you are comment session in my comment box. Okay, that is the my protein. Okay, build your my fat and build your my stamina. Thank you so much, dear. You always bad comment in my comment section. You are right, but replay always stranger, not a real person, a simple person. Thank you so much, dear. Okay, you next day, day 6, you always watch this video and comment. Thank you so much.